One point, you have visited Cinekabataan as a viewer, as an audience member. Now, you're on the other side. How does it feel to have gone through that transition, to have other people watch your work now?
It's a bit surreal. Last year, ako lang yung nanonood. Ngayon is yung film ko na yung pinapanood. It's somehow fulfilling din since nakailang submit din ako sa Cinekabataan ng mga projects ko or mga films ko. And this time, screen na siya. So, very fulfilling yung experience. And surreal siya since once in a lifetime lang na mapapalabas sa Cinecab yung film mo na dinevelop mo with Cinekabataan. Super thankful ako with Cinekabataan for these platforms na binibigay niya for young filmmakers na sobrang nakatulong siya sa creative process, not only in this project, magagamit ko siya sa mga next projects na meron ako. And sobrang thankful ako sa Cinekabataan team for continuing na pag-challenge sa mga young filmmakers to do more, to make their stories out there, and para mapakita yung creativity ng Filipino filmmakers na meron ngayon.
Keep up to date by following our socials for schedules and other details.